This video will serve as an introduction to the 114PN no-force myograph. For those familiar, it will be very similar to the 114P that we offer. This specific model is for researchers who want to design their pressure and flow studies but do not care about measuring the longitudinal force. This is a more economical option than the 114P while only eliminating one data parameter. An investigator can study isolated vessels between 60 microns and 1.5 millimeters, but other size options are available. The interface can exert pressures from 0 to 200 millimeters of mercury and corresponding flow rates. The heating system is built into the chamber itself, while the chamber cover will have connections for gas bubbling and bath exchanges. The interface will connect to the chamber via the Myograph cable. This will control the pressures, the flow, and the temperature from the chamber, as well as record data parameters from the chamber and the interface. All of this can be controlled through the Myograph software on the computer very quickly and easily. The interface consists of two bottles and the touchscreen. One bottle will drive the pressure through your system. The second is a waste bottle that will collect anything that comes through the vessel. You also have your touchscreen interface, which can be used to control things such as temperature, pressure, flow rates, as well as running pressure calibrations. The interface will connect to the chamber via a Myograph cable. It will be used to control the pressures and the flow, as well as the temperature in the chamber itself. The interface will also record data parameters about the interface and the chamber and send it to your computer. All of this can also be done through the Myograph software on your computer very quickly and easily. The back of the interface has all of the connections you will need to fully utilize the system. You have a power supply connection and a power switch. You have a port to connect to the flow meter. This connection is for the Myograph cable that will go to the chamber. You have 4 BNC outputs where you can select the raw data from any 4 parameters you would like. There's a connection for a USB that will go directly to the computer and allow the interface to communicate directly with Myograph. This is a connection for an optional pH meter. This port is for the oxygen or gas tank, which will exert pressures and flow in your system. And finally, there is a grounding port to eliminate any electrical noise. The 114PN chamber will actually house the vessel that you have mounted between 2 glass cannulas or 2 stainless steel cannulas. Temperature and a heating unit are actually built into the chamber itself. This connection is for the Myograph cable that will be going to the interface. There are 2 three-way valves on either side of the chamber. Pressure will enter the P1 three-way valve, go through an internal pressure transducer, and then enter your chamber where your vessel is mounted. Pressure will then leave your vessel, go through the tubing and through a second pressure transducer, and then exit through the P2 three-way valve. You have multiple micrometers to allow for fine precision when aligning your cannulas. You will receive a number of accessories with the 114PN Myograph. You will receive accessories for setting up the system, items used with the chamber for your daily experiments, as well as items to maintain the entire system. To set up the system, you will receive a power supply, the Myograph cable, a USB cable, tubing for the gas and clamps, and silicone tubing. Regarding the accessories that you will use with your chamber, you will receive a chamber cover, a set of cannulas, a spool of suture, 2 screwdrivers, a ball-end screwdriver, and 2 Allen keys. The accessories you will receive used for maintaining the system include a big bend manometer, a calibration shunt, brown petroleum-based grease for maintaining the micrometers, clear silicone-based grease for openings in the chamber itself, a USB stick containing the user guide, user manual, and any software, a pack of replacement cover glass slips, and a set of replacement screws. For more information, please refer to the DMT website, where you can find detailed information in the 114PN User Guide and User Manual. You can also view training videos on the 114P system.